It is not uncommon to hear complaints about the difficulty of understanding code. Unfortunately, this is not an easy question to answer, as there is no consensus on what makes code difficult to understand. Additionally, the difficulty of understanding code can vary greatly depending on the individual's prior experience and knowledge. However, some common reasons why people find code difficult to understand include, firstly, the use of technical jargon. Code is often written using technical jargon that can be difficult for non-programmers to understand. This can make it difficult to understand the purpose of the code and how it works. Secondly, the lack of documentation. Code is often not well documented, which can make it difficult to understand the purpose of the code and how it works. Thirdly, the complexity of the code. Code can be very complex, which can make it difficult to follow the flow of the code and understand how it works. Fourthly, the lack of experience. People who are new to programming may find it difficult to understand code, as they may not have the necessary experience or knowledge to understand the code. If you are struggling to understand code, there are a few things you can do to improve your understanding. First, try to find documentation for the code. This documentation can help you to understand the purpose of the code and how it works. Second, try to find someone who can explain the code to you. This can be a friend, colleague, or tutor. Finally, try to write your own code. This can help you to understand the structure of the code and how it works. It is important to remember that understanding code takes time and practice. Don't be discouraged if you don't understand everything right away. Keep practicing and eventually you will be able to understand code.